Brian Muskimmons is standing by in the Pinpoint Weather Center, and what a difference a day makes.
It really does, Ken. In fact, Bob O'Brien sent us in a couple of great photos last night. This was the photo last night, the sunset from Newport. Now take a look at that. Spectacular photos, sign of some of those high clouds moving in. And then today, this is from Cape Foul weather, aptly named there, and you can see some waves crashing in there on the beach. That's actually on the right-hand side. That's the Lookout Visitor Center. I've actually never been there, but it looks like a cool little place to hang out. Now, daytime highs today, definitely cooler than we were yesterday, but still mild for this time of the year. 58 for Blue Mountain Community College in Pendleton. Rainier coming in at 57. Same thing there for the Dalles at Colonel Wright Elementary School. And Lake Oswego, the Children's Hour Academy, coming in at 57 degrees for your top-end temperature. Across the state, 57. The number here in Portland, 55 for Salem as well as Eugene and Medford. Over on the east side of the state, and 56 for K Falls, 57 for Pendleton as well as Redmond and Pendleton, and even 50 in Baker City. Out the door at the 6 o'clock hour, 48 degrees in Hillsboro. Everybody else in the 50s. We're going to see these numbers drop actually rather quickly tonight, and there's a good reason for it. Sharp cold front now coming on the coast, 45 at this hour there in Astoria, 46 for Bend, and 52 for the Dalles. Right now the snow level is up around 7,000 feet. It's dropping to about 1,500 feet by the time we go to tomorrow morning. There's not going to be a whole lot of moisture. This front really falling apart as it comes in. So, in fact, you can already see some clearing off the coast there between Astoria and Long Beach. So I widen out the view, though. This is the front right here, but notice all this clearing out here. That is all of Sunday's clearing. We'll see a few passing showers. It's kind of this popcorn, puffy looking light clouds there on the satellite, but they will be passing and isolated at best. So really a mostly dry Sunday, but, you know, can't rule out a shower, especially as we get into the afternoon hour. And I'm going to walk you through raincast. Notice the snow returning to the Cascades, but it's a very quick hitting system. So we go into tomorrow morning, like I said, can't rule out an isolated passing shower. Also some patchy fog, and then maybe some more pop-up showers in the afternoon as we go towards the 4 and 5 o'clock hour. But then we're clear all the way into Monday. It's not until Monday night late, probably about 9 or 10 o'clock, we see some rain return, and that will be also a very chilly system as well. Hey, if you're heading out to the Timbers home opener tomorrow at 4:30, definitely partly to mostly cloudy skies, definitely kind of a mix of clouds and sun afternoon, 52 degrees. Can't rule out a shower, but overall I think it's mostly dry in downtown. End of regulation, temperatures there at 48 degrees. Now, forecast breakdown time out along the coast, a few showers, sun breaks, and breezy in the afternoon. 52 in the afternoon for Eugene, but everybody's starting in the 30s for the I-5 corridor, and same goes there for the coast. Some patchy morning fog, otherwise isolated showers in the afternoon. East of the Cascades, a breezy day, a few rain showers and mountain snow showers. Everybody up into the 40s and 50s except for Baker City there at 39 degrees, 53 in the afternoon for the Dalles, 35 in the afternoon for Government Camp, snow showers there, 51 for Cascade Locks, west winds kicking up in the gorge as we go through the day, gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Patchy morning fog, otherwise some passing showers and a mix of clouds and sun as we go through the day. Everybody starting out the door in the 30s in the morning. And then as we wrap up the day, we'll be seeing temperatures right about 50 to 52 degrees. Your day planner, just calling for a few passing showers, otherwise a mix of clouds and sunshine as we go through the day. And your 7-day forecast, some morning fog, even some frost on Monday. Going to be a very cold day then very wet weather for Tuesday and Wednesday. Start to dry out Thursday, and at this point, cross your fingers, looking like Friday and Saturday actually turn mostly sunny. So
Okay, and we like the sun around here when
we'll
it comes
take it.
around. All
exactly.
right. Thanks a lot, Brian.